Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be an unboxing video from Adore Me. They let me pick out some really cute things and I'm so excited to wear these for spring. I also got a corset and I've never worn a corset. I really wanted the Jasmine one. It's like a white pinkish toned corset, but they were sold out. But either way, I'm so happy that they sent me these things to try and that I can share them with you guys. So if you haven't already followed me on Instagram and TikTok, I do post styling videos there. So if you need some outfit inspiration, feel free to watch those videos. So this is the bag of stuff that I got. I'm gonna show the corset first because it's my favorite thing. So this is the corset. I'm so excited to wear this with jeans. My Zara jeans, I can already tell, are gonna go so good with this. I just love the color of it. It's so gorgeous, so elegant. This reminds me of Bridgerton, like, I can't wait to wear it. So this is the back of the corset. I love the lace. I love that it's see-through because I have a back tattoo, so it's gonna show when I wear this. And the ribbon is the cutest part. I love that they tied it before sending it because I would not know what to do with this. I've never worn a corset, so it'll be interesting trying to put this on, but I'm so excited. It's so cute, 10 out of 10. It also came with these matching panties. That's what I love about Adore Me. All of their sets come with panties, so it's like you don't have to buy things separately, everything matches. These are a little cheeky for me. They are really cute. I love the lace. We'll see how they work. I'm used to wearing like boxers or like boy short panties, but these are super cute. I love the little bow. Okay, so the next thing that I got was this floral bra. I am so excited for this. It is the cutest bra I have ever seen, literally ever seen. This literally screams Bridgerton, and it is this floral little bra. It's so cute. I love the flowers. I love the pink and the greenery. This is literally perfect for spring. Imagine this as a corset. Like, I would die. And then it also came with matching panties, of course. These are super, super cute. I love these already because I can already tell these are gonna be really, really comfortable. And they're not cheeky, which is my favorite. So definitely 10 out of 10. The next thing that I got was another thing that reminded me of Bridgerton, and it is another bra. It is so cute. I got rid of all my nude bras because they were just really old and some of them got dried on accident. And you know, if you put a bra in the dryer, it messes up. So unfortunately, I do not have any more nude bras, which I need to get. So that's why I got these. This is so cute. I love this so much. It is so cute. It's this pink bra with these little ribbon going across in a zigzag. I love it so much. It reminds me so much of Bridgerton. And then it has this little bow. It's just so girly and I love it. This is so cute. This is a corset too, 10 out of 10. And that one also came with panties. So they're just these really cute pink ones. And then they have ribbon in the back as well. They're cute. I might wear them, we'll see. My mom would probably love these. So the next thing that I got was this bikini, and I'm so excited for this because I also don't have any bikinis because I got rid of a ton of clothes and I was like, I definitely need a bikini. This one caught my eye. I love the floral. It's so adorable. And I love how it has like a thicker tie thing because I just feel like it looks cuter, more elegant. It's not like super thin and uncomfortable. It has a lot of coverage. And then it has like this little bow in the front. It's so pretty. I love the print. And then it also came with matching bottoms, which is always nice. And they're super, super cute. I love that they cover everything. Once again, 10 out of 10. The next thing that I got were these polka dot socks. I really love polka dots. And I don't have any see-through like mesh socks. And I really wanted to get some because I was like, I want to start wearing those with dresses. I think those are super, super cute. So I just got these little polka dot socks. They're super cute, super cozy. The material is really, really good and super soft. I cannot wait to wear these. Even with jeans, these would be so cute. Like a light wash denim jean. So adorable. So the next thing are these pajama sets. I cannot wait to wear these. So I got a tan one and a baby blue set as well. So it is just these sweatpants, these like beige ones. They're so adorable and they just have, oh, it's like a little thing right there. They just have these lines going down. I love these so much. I would wear these out. And then they have pockets. The band is super thick, which is nice. These just look super, super comfortable. So I will be living in these for the next couple of months, next couple of years. And then this is the matching top. So cute. Like I said, I would wear this out like an all beige outfit with some sneakers. So cute. And then I also got the blue one. It's honestly like kind of lavender in person, but on camera it's showing up very, very bright. The same thing. I love this. The detailing is so pretty. And these are so affordable too. Like I'll probably get the darker brown as well because they have a bunch of other colors. I think they have like burgundy, a black set. They have a ton of different ones and they're so cute. And then this one, this is just the top for it. And the material is so soft. Like I was looking at the reviews before I got it and I was like, I need those because they have a ton of loungewear and that's what I was excited for because I was like, I need cuter loungewear because I've been getting rid of a ton of clothes and I was like, I need some new stuff. So the next thing that I got is like a sports bra, which is so, I love beige. I love nude, I love beige, I love whites, neutral tones. It's so pretty. Ignore the wrinkliness. This was in my mailbox for the past 30 minutes because I was waiting for it to be delivered at my door, and because the delivery driver sometimes delivers at our door, sometimes doesn't. That's not important. What's important is he shoved it in our mailbox, so it got wrinkled, but it's so cute. I mean, you can already tell just by looking at it, even though it's wrinkled, that it's really, really cute. So, and then it came with matching bottoms, and the bottoms also have that little same design on them. They're super, super cute. I love them. And then I got this top, and this is also another nude top. Once again, ignore the wrinkliness. Super, super cute. This will look really cute with some jeans. I've been really into like tank tops lately, especially the ones that have like a thicker band. I think these are super, super cute. I love the color. We'll definitely be wearing this. So that's all that I picked out from Adore Me. I totally recommend shopping with them. They have very, very affordable stuff. Very affordable loungewear, bras, shorts, pants, athletic wear. Literally anything you can think of. It's super, super affordable. The corset, I want to say, is like $40, which is literally so cheap for a corset. And it's so cute, so high quality. I literally got everything within 2 days, and that's with regular shipping. Thank you so much to Adore Me for gifting me these items. I'm so excited to try everything and post pictures in them. Like I said, I do post styling videos on Instagram and TikTok, so feel free to follow me on there. All my social medias are Annalisa. And don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching.